So we just learned how to add vectors, and logically you would think, hey, you know what, we just learned how to add vectors, maybe we'll actually get into learning how to subtract vectors. And we will, but first what we want to do is learn how to multiply vectors by scalars. So when you're doing this, you are essentially scaling the vector. And what does scaling actually mean? So if you actually have an image and you want to scale it by 200%, essentially what you're doing is increasing the size of the image by 2. So for this first problem over here, we have the vector u, which is going up and to the right, being scaled by a factor of 2. So we are taking this vector here, vector u, and we're going to be multiplying it by 2, making it 2 times as long. So this is now 2u. You see that? It's twice as long now. Okay, so now for this one, for x, we're going to be multiplying this by 3. Okay, so we have, this is x over here, and the object is going to be moving down more, and it's going to be moving down more like this. So this over here is 3x. Okay, so we multiply those, and now what do you think that the next one is? So we have w just moving up like this, and we're multiplying it by 0.5. Well, it's half of it, right? So maybe we actually just have it going up just a little bit. And this is 0.5w. Okay, well, what about this next one? Hey, you know what? So the instruction here is saying that vector y wants the object to actually be moving to the right, and then multiply by 0. Hey, what happens when you multiply by 0? It just is equal to 0. So if we actually have our object over here, it's basically telling us to cancel the instruction. It's basically saying, hey, you know what? Just stay there. So this is 0, y. Okay, and oh, wait a minute, look at this one. So we have y moving to the right times a negative 0.5. What do you think that negative is telling us to do? What do you think that the negative is representing? Maybe you're thinking to yourself, hey, you know what? If y is moving to the right, maybe the negative tells us, hey, go in the opposite direction. Let's go to the left. And you're right. So we are going to be moving half the distance to the left. And this is negative 0.5 y. Okay, well, what about negative 1? Well, essentially the same thing. We're going to be moving the full distance, negative 1 y. Oh, wait a minute, negative 1 y. Hey, maybe I could actually just rewrite this to say that this is negative y. And this is where we could start talking about subtracting vectors.